Welcome everybody
to Cooking with Poppy.
Today I'm going to be making a barbecue cheeseburger bacon bomb. Please leave a comment and let me know what you think. And most importantly,
like and subscribe.
Okay, so let's get started. I'm going to take these fresh vegetables and
chop them up.
Let's start with a couple of peppers. A jalapeno for a little bit of heat. Time for a big yellow
onion.
Let's go with a pretty fine dice on the onion so we know it gets cooked. I've laid down my wax paper. Now I'm going to start on my bacon weave. The first step is to lay out 8 or 9 strips of bacon. Let's give this whole thing a turn so we can start weaving this bacon. Now let's pull every other bacon strip back just a few inches, like this. Now we will add a strip of bacon to the very top, and then pull those strips back up where they started. This time we will pull the opposite strips all the way up to the top. Then add another strip of bacon. Now we're going to pull those strips back down into their original position. Now just repeat those steps until you come to the end of your bacon weave. Every other strip up, add another piece of bacon, and then pull the strips down. This is a lot of bacon. I hope you like bacon, girls.
We love bacon.
And let's put that last strip in there and pull the ends down. Now it's time to season your bacon weave. Use whatever dry rub you like. Now I'm going to put my ground beef on a sheet of wax paper. Next I'm going to smash my ground beef into a nice even square. Let's go ahead and season your burger. Again, use whatever dry rub you usually do. Now let's put a nice line of your chopped onion and peppers right down the middle of your ground beef. I'm going to be using Colby Jack cheese in my bacon cheeseburger bomb. You can never have too much cheese. Now I'm going to add a nice heavy layer of shredded cheese. Let's turn your ground beef and get ready to roll it up. Just slowly roll your wax paper until you get to the top. Now you can peel your wax paper back. Pull the other side up to the top. Now just take the time to form it into a nice roll, pinching the ends so they're sealed. Now we simply put the roll right in the center of your bacon weave. Let's carefully pull that wax paper up and over so the bacon's on top. Peel back your wax paper, spin it all the way around, and pull the other side of your bacon weave up onto the top of your roll. Tuck the ends of the bacon into the center. And that's all there is to it. Your bacon bomb is ready to go in the oven. I'm going to be using my cast iron pan for my bacon bomb. I'm going to place it seam side down. I'm going to season it one more time with my rub. And now it's ready for a 425-degree oven for 75 minutes. After 75 minutes, it's ready for a glaze, any kind of barbecue sauce you like. Mine is blueberry habanero because I like a little heat. Be generous with your barbecue sauce and make sure it's completely coated. Then put it back into the oven for another 10 minutes. Now that it's cooked another 10 minutes, I'm going to put it on my cutting board to rest for at least 10 minutes. It's finally time to cut into this to see how we did. Oh, that smell is amazing. You could eat it like this with a couple of sides, but I think we're going to slice it up and put it on some slider buns. I hope you enjoyed this video. And as always,
Thanks for coming, everybody.